Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar overnight climbed to a high of 79.16, however failed to sustain with the range overnight of 78.81 to 79.16 with the support still holding at 70. In light of the current technical outlook, I still expect to see weakness, but we do need to get a move under 70 to support the next move to 78.30. Any advances still finds resistance at 79.60. Overnight, a slightly weaker US dollar return. However, the ECB President Mario Draghi gave a speech, and it seems he has learned by his own mistakes by avoiding commenting on how and when he might bring the monetary stimulus to an end. The euro has risen approximately 12% against the US dollar so far this year, mainly on the expectations of an ending to the QE. However, President Mario Draghi gave nothing away on policy paths ahead of the Jackson Hole summit that's coming today and tomorrow. Locked in a range of 17.65 and to 118.50-60, I still expect to see this support, now resistance, cap the market and weakness to return, and maybe the US dollar weakness overnight was a one-off. However, what triggered the weakness was the fact that President Trump again warned that he may terminate the NAFTA, which is the North American Free Trade Agreement. So keep an eye on that. The dollar-yen case, of course, was weakened with the US dollar. However, I'm still seeing my strategy as a buy on dips with the technical implications still slightly bullish. If we get a rebound of 108.80, then I expect to see further coverage to the upside to 109.65 as minor, and then on towards 110.15 to 111. My only concerns is if we break underneath this support at 108.30, but at this stage is holding, so with the technical implications should see eventually a recovery. For those trading short to the pound, the market weakens further and now under the 128 handle looks towards the next target of 127.0515. A little bit of a caution though is the fact that the technicals are oversold and we could see a slight rebound, so do be on your guard there. With the resistance now seen at 128.60. The uptrend has risen for gold at the moment and looking towards 1,280 as a base. A break beneath there with the technical implications supporting this move could see a target of 1,271 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day finds a cap from around 1,295 with a firm resistance and a rejection point at 1,302. To wrap up with oil, the market is attempting to restage a recovery since the posted doji from the previous day. I do expect to see a cap coming in around 48.80 and the market to eventually turn back towards that downside support of 46.60. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of us.